Okay, this is kind of a silly video today, but I went to a Keysight conference concerning AI. They make testers for AI computers. And when you go to these conferences, a lot of times you'll get a gift bag or you get a little freebie or something like that. Most of the time you walk out with a pen that says Keysight or a notebook to take notes in, something like that. This one, they had a really nice gift bag, and this was in the gift bag, and I just thought it would be fun to look at because it's a real geek thing. They know their targeted crowd, just a room full of geeks. What do you buy a room full of geeks? You buy them little gadgets. You buy them electronic gadgets. Definitely true. And so this is the electronic gadget. So you have to imagine what it is. Okay, so I'll turn it this way. Yeah, what is it? Let's see, what other way can I turn it? Okay, I can turn it this way. It's got some connectors on it. I can turn it this way. And now that's kind of interesting. It's got a little flip out chargy thing. Okay, you think, oh, it's just a charger. And you go, no, and then you flip it around and it's got some other things in it. So that's pretty cool. A and C USB things, right? But this is the side that geeks everybody out. Look at this thing. I'll zoom down on this because it's hilarious. All right, there you go. What do you think it is? Some kind of navigation thing. I don't know. Some kind of radio or disc player. It's got this PC board behind it, but if you look super close, there's nothing loaded on that PC board. There's like places for parts, but there's no parts. There actually are 4 parts loaded, right? There, and there. We'll get to that. But yeah, it is a battery bank. It's a 10 amp hour battery bank, so that's pretty cool. So you can charge it with the, let me go back out again. You can charge it with the flip out things, and the kit comes with a whole bunch of foreign traveler things, right? So you get a whole kit, and you can charge things with a cord, USB-C. You can charge things with a lightning connector. All right, those are kind of going away these days, but or you can do that, and you get your non-contact charger. That's got a really healthy battery, real healthy magnet in it. But see the four LEDs light up when it's charging. That's what they do. It gives a percent battery, so I have 96% of this battery in there. It's pretty cool. So obviously there are companies where you go to the company and they have a whole bunch of gifts that you can pay to have your name put on. I don't know what minimum order is, if I can get IMSAI guy things. I don't know what the minimum orders, do you get pens or something, so that's the IMSAI guy. But I have had tablets made, notepads. So when I take notes and stuff, it had my company. I used to have a consulting company. I had my logo on it, and I did have some envelopes and stuff that I had done. But this is kind of a giveaway thing. So this is kind of corporate gifts or something like that. There's a bunch of companies who do that. Let's see here. This is the can the camera get there? Yeah, the Tomax. The Tomax QC028. So that's who makes the things. I suppose you can just buy it from Tomax originally. I don't know. Maybe this is a special version they just do for events or something like that. I don't know. It was given to me. But yeah, I just thought it was, I thought it was too cool not to put on my channel. Like I said, they really have their audience pegged for what would appeal to them, right? What do you give a bunch of nerdy engineers?